Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and in the morning we are going from Goa to Mumbai. तो हमारी वापस जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई है फाइनली, और हम मुंबई से गोवा से मुंबई जा रहे हैं सुबह सुबह 6 बजे. वी लेफ्ट द रूम एंड राइट नाउ वी जस्ट स्टॉप टू टेक वड़ा पाव, पनीर पकौड़ास, कॉफ़ी. और अभी हम ब्यूटीफुल अम्बोली क्रॉस कर रहे थे. अम्बोली वाटरफॉल है मेरे सामने, वहाँ जस्ट मैं एक ग्लिम्स दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं रुकने वाला नहीं हूँ. और ये वेस्टर्न घाट्स है अगेन. These are the western ghats that you have to cross. So it's a stretch of like 30-35 kilometers that you have to cross the whole national park. And there you will see the Amboli waterfall. If you are coming from Goa to Mumbai, if you are going from Goa to Mumbai, you will cross Amboli, and that's pretty much. Today is the day 1 of Mumbai. I think we'll reach around 4. It says 10 hours from Goa to Mumbai. Let's see. We just stopped here because it was looking so beautiful, so I just turn the car and I go like 500 meters more, but I turned the car and stopped here for to eat because it looks very beautiful. It looks very fresh. That it's morning, so there is no pollution here basically. So that's what you love about traveling, that you don't get pollution like in my city, and that's pretty much of it. Follow me. Guys, this is the Amboli waterfall, just where we were eating food, right beside it, and pretty dry because it's not monsoon season right now. I'll just show you one glimpse, nothing more. It's all dry. I think in monsoon it would be full. It's called Amboli waterfall. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड नाउ. तो गाइस अब आगे चलते हैं. ब्रेकफास्ट तो हो गया और कुछ करने का नहीं अपने को. About to reach Mumbai. We just crossed Lonavala right now, and the highway is pretty smooth and good. Like you can drive at 150, 160, but the speed limit is 100. So I'm following the speed limit and I'm driving at 100. So it took me almost 9 hours, from Goa to Arambol to basically Mumbai. And we are just crossing Lonavala right now. Lonavala के बाद just मुंबई शुरू ही होने वाला है. इट सेज लाइक आफ्टर 50 किलोमीटर, इट सेज स्टिल 85 kilometers. It says 1.5 hours, but no problem. We are going slowly and we are following the speed limit. Let me show you the highway, that how much is the highway, how good it looks. Look, so this is the highway here, Mumbai Pune Expressway. You must have heard. कैसा हाईवे है? ऐसा हाईवे है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक आगरा एक्सप्रेसवे फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू आगरा. इट्स द सेम, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. सो फॉलो मी. Guys, we reached Mumbai. We just changed very quickly. I didn't show you the room again. We book in hotel Suba Palace. Is right adjacent to the Taj Hotel and Gateway of India in Mumbai. And we are just walking now to catch the sunset as fast as possible. So follow me. Guys, we are at the Gateway of India. I just told you that we just residing behind that Chhatrapati Shivaji, that building. We are residing behind that, and here is the Gateway of India. We are just staying here, and there is the Taj Hotel. I can fit in one frame if you want. If you can see the Gateway of India and Taj Hotel together. And there is the sea, and this is how it looks like. So many people are, must be wondering. With the eye of Gypsy Shiva, I can show you how it actually looks. And this is the other Taj towers. So Taj Tower, Taj Hotel and Gateway of India together. It's almost dawn, it's almost sunset. The sun is not setting here, but the sunrise will be amazing because the sun sets from the other side. So let me show you more things here. I will just capture all this only, nothing more. Guys, this is the Gateway of India, and there are so many boats. Look at this, it looks amazing, all these boats together. Guys, mass here, light abhi just shown हुई है, so it looks completely different now. But from here you can see all the three buildings together, the Taj Hotel, the building and the Gateway of India. And this is the beauty of this place, that it's not just Gateway of India here that you need to come and see. The Taj Hotel also looks very beautiful, and then the seas are with lots of boats. So that is also one thing to see, that even if you go to Goa, you will not find so many ships together. So there are ships there, and like there are cargo ships there. Then you can see the ferry ships that carry people from here to there, whosoever wants to go. And then the other side I show you the yacht and the private boats there. So all this combination of ships is only possible here at Gateway of India, no other place in India. So one quick 360-degree view. And behind me is Vivekanand Swami. My name is also Vivek. You know me as Gypsy Shiva, but my original name is Vivek. तो गाइस, रॉन्ग पार्किंग वालों को पकड़ रहे हैं, और कोई भी अगर रॉन्ग पार्किंग कर रहे हैं तो उसके लगा रहे हैं क्लेम। और ये मेरा छोटा सा बेबी है, चीवा बेबी भाई, ये चीवा बेबी भाई, ये तो साफ चल रहा था, ऐसे चल रहा था। तो गाइस, ये क्लेम से बच के रहना। इफ यू आर कमिंग हियर विद योर ओन कार, सो डोंट पार्क एनीवेयर, just wherever you take the hotel, park near that. and the architecture looks great in evening, so that's what I like the whole place has different kind of architecture, like not the regular ones, huh? Like everything is different. It's all British era buildings built after 1915. So guys, this is our Hotel Suba Palace, and it's just walking distance from where we are, where I just show you. So we have the privilege of corner room, so let me bring alcohol, so I can see the city and have enjoy it today evening and go to sleep properly. That one.